Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a project that I was working on. We had a charcoaler that finally, just from rust and age and whatnot, the inside burners just literally fell apart on it. And we found a Weber that had had a built-in or cabinet, or not cabinet, but countertop and stuff. A $400 Weber. Walmart had it marked down in Shakota for 75 bucks. So we jumped on it, and this sat on the side of the house for almost a year. And so I decided to do something with it. I made a camp kitchen to take out to the property there at Eufaula. And what I've done, I took the center completely out of it, kept the cabinet part down on the bottom, attached 2x4s on the sides of it, and reattached this burner and this side shelf. Now I'm going to need to trim this a little bit because I can't get this open anymore. Just kind of, oh hello, misjudged the I think I had one too many PBRs when I put that top on it and kind of missed it a little bit, but it's going to be easy to fix. I kept the insides of it pretty much. Let me get my light. Just see what I've done here. Kept the original spot where the propane tanks go and that particular shelf there, and I got to buy some new hoses for it so that I can reattach the burner, and then I'm going to use one of those Mr. Heater conversion hoses to go from the disposable bottles to the propane tank. And then this countertop here I made from an old TV tray. And of course, it used to be green, and I used it to paint some exhaust manifolds and stuff for my Ranger pickup truck that I converted over to a V8. But I think we're going to get a lot of enjoyment out of this. What I'm planning on doing is getting one of those Coleman ovens to sit on top of this here, so that during the summertime when we want to cook breakfast and bake and have biscuits and all that other fun stuff, it can all be done outside and reduce the heat from inside the camper. The countertop I made from fence pickets, and then of course the spice rack here was done with some pallet wood, and cut my angles and stuff to kind of tie the angles together into a straight edge, and it's not too bad. I did all my cutting work on my dad's old Black & Decker miter saw. It's seen better days, but it still does what it needs to do. I thought about selling it one time, but of course it did belong to Dad, and I couldn't bring myself to do that in the end, and I'm kind of glad I kept it. Eventually I'll get a nicer DeWalt or something like that, and then I'll take this out to the camper and keep it in the shed in case I want to do some projects out there. I want to get ready to build the deck and stuff. May even sooner or later end up building a cabin. But I'm going to add a slideshow to this so you can kind of see what happened during the build. And you know, if somebody wants to try this, it wasn't hard. And hopefully it'll serve us for a few more years anyway. But anyhow, I'm fixing to put the slideshow together, and enjoy. Like, share, do whatever you want to. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't care, but it doesn't matter. Anyhow, y'all have a good evening, and I'll see you on the next video.